Hello, everybody. I'm back. Yes, after so many days of not uploading anything. Days, I'd say months, weeks, probably. The things that I do for school. I'm here in Minecraft. Yeah. Alright, so today is something special for me because it's my first ever original invention, and that is a fully automatic um thingy. Yes, I don't have the words for it. What is it again? It's an automatic vending machine, right? It's a vending machine, yeah. Anyways, you're gonna need some observers and some string as well. But for now, let's just place down an observer. Simple observer, right? Place that down. Two redstone repeaters, all on full tick. After that, you make a T flip-flop. What is a T flip-flop? Something that locks a redstone pulse into something that locks a redstone signal. Basically, how do you make one? In mcpe, you do it like this. Then you get yourself an unstackable item like a wooden sword, and boom. Now to test out if this works, you're gonna get this part, and now get your cauldron water. After that, you're gonna get a sticky piston, a cauldron filled with water, and place these two blocks over there. After that, you're gonna place a few more blocks around it, and then place a few blocks right here. Okay, good. Now to test it, we're gonna make a small circuit that if I hear this piston, yep, it works. It locks the signal. Then press it again, it stops the signal. Okay, so now we're gonna use that to our advantage by getting some rails and some torches. Right. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna build a bit on the sides. Okay. Now make this little system right here. We're just gonna put that like that. Okay, perfect. And then do like this. Okay. And then it's like that. Okay, perfect. So if a villager enters, if a villager dies, then it knows that a villager has died. If a villager is placed, it detects and makes it move on to the second railing system. Great, perfect, perfecto. Now, if you really want it to work, then you're gonna have to repeat the same process again. So, yeah, you better get going. Alright, so then, after that, T flip-flop. And as you can see here, you're gonna do it like this way now. Then the fun part is, well, that's already automatically there. Perfecto. Then place this hopper and boom, got yourself another T flip-flop. Now I got a bucket this time, and boom, it should work. So now let's just do the same thing here, and yeah, so that's the next part of it done. For that, sticky piston, I think you already know where this is going. Put that down there and then place those. Comparator, repeater, and then yeah, you're done. Next project, of course, is then you do that and repeat the same process, but make sure you do it properly because you don't want to mess it up. If you do mess it up though, well, good luck. So as you can see, how do we test this, you may ask? Let's say like this. Let's grab a dispenser and a piece of redstone and make a little contraption, shall we? Very simple one. Okay, so then we will get some minecarts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Too lazy to edit that out because I'm a lazy boy. Boop, 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 boop. Then a stack of villager eggs because that's the whole point of this. Boom, and we're basically done. Okay, so what is this contraption? It's to fill up this. Sends in a villager, places them in. Ooh, frick, I forgot to. So, just remember to not interact with these things. So now it's the experiment part of my series where I try to experiment on what to do with them. For example, a piston that drops them into lava or something so that it can detect that there's no longer an entity. Yeah, but first I'm gonna take some string of it and gonna take it out first so that we don't have any mishaps. Okay, good. Sticky piston under here. There, block. And here is lava. Now I'm just gonna test if this will work. Okay, so lava like that, and then lever right here. Now if we want to eliminate them, just do like that. Actually, I think I have a way better idea. Alright, so I think that we can be able to place a dispenser there and a dispenser here. Then that's the elimination. Just get some lava buckets. Oh wait, no, but that won't eliminate the freaky dicky. It actually won't eliminate the minecart, which will be considered an entity. Ooh, see, realization there. Aha. You thought I was gonna do a stupid? Nah. Good. Alright, so that eliminates the target. Oh, I see a reason why I'm being a potato. Because I just reversed my observer. Ah, yes. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I didn't place them the blocks. Okay. That's why they weren't pushing anything. There we go. String, string. Okay, test this out. I forgot to probably keep it on for a bit. Boom, switch, and next one in there. And now it gets thrown to nothing because the next villagers are going to be useless. Eliminate. Yes, that's perfect. So then, yeah, so there's the elimination. So, for example, you don't need the villager anymore. Like, oh, okay, I already have mending on everything. So, I was really scared of this because I thought that string is not a flying object. Then I remembered about the umbrella trick. So now it's an easier way of having a vending machine. For example, if you need redstone, you have a zombie farm, then you can get redstone. Of course, you do need to place their designated stuff. As you can see, it's pretty well off. He can sell you an axe, and he can sell you an enchanted sword if you level him up. It's pretty neat. So yeah, this is a pretty simple and easy way to make your stuff, a bit easier in life. I'm a killer. I see. So you should probably not do it too quick. You should probably not do it a little too quick, because then the system might break a little bit, and then you'd have to manually control it. But yeah, as you can see, they work perfectly fine. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. This Minecraft episode of yours, and see you later.